Now let me share with you the risk that you need to be aware of when you share a folder with someone or a group of people and you give them editor access. Even if you gave them editor access to that folder and you took away their permissions to change permissions or share that folder. Very clearly, if I look at that folder, I do not have the ability to share it. I have to ask the owner to share it. I don't have the ability to change my permissions or change general access of that folder. But what I do have the ability to do is I have the ability to share and change permissions of subfolders and documents below that folder. This subfolder called Article Series 1, I have the ability to share it. I can share it with up to 100 people. I can give them editor access. I can share this if I want to with Rebecca. I can give Rebecca editor access, commenter, viewer access. I can share that directly with individuals. Furthermore, even though I don't have the ability to change the share permissions of the original folder with the subfolders, I can even share it publicly. And I can give everybody on the internet editor access to that folder and subsequent objects in that folder. Again, even though I can't change the permissions of the primary folder. So, and furthermore, let me show this to you even deeper. If I go down here and I go into this folder and I go into this folder, that document right there, I have the ability to take that document. I can share it with individuals. I can share it directly with Rebecca, give her permission to edit it any way she wants. I can also, with that document, I can make it available to anyone on the internet and give them editor access. Again, the thing that I want you to be aware of, the risk, is that when you share a folder with someone and you give them editor access, even though you turned off their permission to change permissions and to share that folder, because they have editor access to subsequent folders and subfolders and documents, they have full sharing functionality below this folder. My recommendation is that you be very deliberate about, if I'm sharing a folder and subsequent files in that folder, I would be very cautious about who I give editor access to on that folder, regardless of taking away their permissions on that folder. Typically, the right way to share a folder in Google Drive is to give them view access. Again, unless they're collaborators that you want to work with, I would give them view access and have them download their own documents. My point is, be very careful and very cautious about your sharing activity when you share folders in Google Drive. I'm Teddy. I'm a Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, and I hope these ideas are helpful for you.